Hello friends, it's quite a number of days now that we were unable to withdraw in COTP, that is crypto over the counter trading platform. And it has caused a lot of panic in the community of the investors on this platform. So in today's video, I hereby bring you the latest withdrawal updates on COTP. I bring you the latest withdrawal updates on crypto over the counter trading platform. And the question is, any hope? Is there any hope for us? And I will show you how to withdraw in COTP. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video today. I will give you the latest withdrawal update to let you know that the field is green, the future is bright. Okay, but before I go further in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LastWithDrainingBizTalk. In LastWithDrainingBizTalk, I review online investment platform. It is a method whereby I used to share with you how you can make money online. So this is one of the ways whereby these are one of the ways whereby I make money online, and I found it worth sharing with you guys. All right, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe now and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next updates so that you are not going to miss out. All right, and if you found that this video is very, very meaningful to you at the end, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And also, I want you to know that this channel is meant for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you can also do your own due diligence research on any of the content here before you jump into it. All right, so thanks so much. Now, considering what we have to share with you today about the latest withdrawal updates on COTP. I think like 3, 4, 5 days ago, we have been having this issue about COTP whereby people were not able to withdraw. And the first reason for this is due to the fall in price of cryptocurrency. Over the week, the price of cryptocurrency it's really affects the trade. And as in 3 or 4 days ago, the price of USDT it fell to around 94 cents. That is, it fell around 94 cents. So automatically this will surely affect the price of it surely affect the business in COTP, because cryptocurrency like USDT is what it is being traded upon. So right now the price of USDT is still it's almost $1 now. As you can see, it's now on the third, and the price is 99 cents, so approximately $1. So unlike on Friday, that is like 4 days ago, when it was around 94 cents, so you know that 6 cents is a it will surely affect the price of the coin, and it will surely make the trading activities to be somehow fluctuating. So I think this is one of the reasons that caused the delay, though it is not announced, it is not officially announced by the company that we are being affected by the fall in price of USDT coin. So another great factors that caused the withdrawal issue is the OTP, that is one-time password that is being sent to our phone through SMS. So that is the great problem that we are experiencing. So for sometimes it is verification, sometimes it is the verification from COTP, and another time what caused the withdrawal issue is the OTP, that is the one-time password through SMS that will be sent to our mobile device, to our registered number on COTP. So because it keeps on giving us incorrect OTP or verification code field. So let me log into my COTP account now so that I can share with you what we are really experiencing, and I will be telling you the latest news that we have from COTP in resolving this. Okay, so So let me go to the transaction hall to see if I have enough to withdraw. Oh shit. Okay, I have less than $5. I have less than $10, so I may not be able to withdraw for now. But what we are experiencing right now is that truly we are getting the COTP, the one-time password through the SMS. We are getting it unlike before, because we were unable to get it immediately before, and by the time you try it the second time or the third time, so it's you cannot receive the 2 or the 3 OTP at the same time. So by the time you input it, it will give you an error message that is the verification code is incorrect. So, and we are still experiencing the same error message now, though we are getting the code. So one of the problem is the telecommunication company that provides the OTP, that is the one-time password, in which they are in partnership with COTP. So the problem is from them, according to the announcement on their Twitter page, on COTP Twitter page. So, and they are trying to sort them out. So it will take them like 2 to 3 working days for this to be sorted out. But I want to tell you that everything is now going on smoothly, because there are some countries right now that they have been able to get their withdrawal. For instance, I'm going to show you a video very soon on how a particular person gets made a withdrawal of $6, and it's reflected in his Binance account immediately as usual. So I just wanted to know that it will be resolved, and it is I think it's based on each continent. For instance, maybe by Tuesday or by Wednesday, every customer, every investor in Africa will be able to make withdrawal on their COTP account. So let's just give them a little more time, and let's be patient. Let's be patient, because the patient dog will surely eat the fattest bone. So let's be patient with the new development, with the ways things is being done, to make sure that all the glitches are being rectified. Okay, so let's be patient, and if we shouldn't cause any panic. So let me show you the video of how this person gets his withdrawal, so which shows that they are really working on it, and it will still get to our turn here in this part of the world, wherever you might be right now. So just be very, very patient, and you can keep on minting your dollars on daily basis. You don't need to stop trading. You don't need to stop initiating the trade. So just keep on minting USDT till the time you'll be able to withdraw. So let me quickly show you the video of how this person gets his own withdrawal, and he got it on the 15th of February. So let me show you here. Okay, so this is the video here. So it's not recorded in English, but just see how it went through. So the person has $10 left in his wallet balance. So I can see he's about to input the amount he wants to withdraw, which happens to be 6. So he wanted to withdraw $6, and he's going to get 5.6. So he's about to input the transaction password now. He's trying to cover that for security purpose, and now he has already clicked on the send verification message. Okay, you can see that he has received it immediately. That is from COTP. He has received the one-time password from COTP right now, and he has already input it. Okay, so let's see the outcome. So it's not in English, but it has been confirmed. So he's about to click on confirm now. It is successful. So now let's see. You can see the money has been deducted, and he has $4 left in his wallet. Now he's now in Binance. So this is what he has in his Binance before. He has $1.28, as you can see. And let's also observe the date. $1.28, that is what he has. And right now he has refreshed and see what he has now. He has $7.09, which means that the $6 withdrawal has been deposited there. So now let's check for the email verification, email confirmation from Binance, and let's check the time very well. See, that is 2022 05 15 320 58 UTC. So that sorry for this. So you can see that the withdrawal is now working effectively. So let's just wait for our own time. Everything will soon be in place, and we'll be able to make our withdrawal. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, this video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojoni Stock. So, and if you think this video has added value to you, if it is truly meaningful to you, then don't hesitate to like this video. Let me know your mind. You can send any message through the comment box, through the comment section of this video, and also let your views be known. Okay, so you can share this video with your friends and family, especially those that also invested in COTP, so that they can be rest assured that everything is well, that everything will be well with COTP, that there's no need to be in panic, that they are really working on it, and in due time, probably in the next 48 hours, we in this part of the world will also be able to make withdrawal, and everything will be fine as it was before. Thanks so much once again. The next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now.